the Kitchen Fairy here. Long time no see. I hope you've been well. For today's recipe, it is another baking, and it is for pizza rolls. It's simple to make, and my boys really like them so much, and they would say it's similar to the ones they get from bakeries. So I often make them as well when I'm not lazy. Often, but not when not lazy only. Check out the full video, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bloom 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast in 1.5 cup of water, mixed with half tablespoon of sugar, and let it rest until the yeast softens. For the dry ingredients, this is 3 cups of strong baker's flour, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, half tablespoon of chives, and half tablespoon of parsley, and we're just gonna mix it while waiting for our yeast to bloom or to soften. Once yeast is ready, we're just gonna pour into our dry ingredients, and we're gonna crack an egg and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're gonna mix it with our spatula, or you can use your hands. We're gonna knead the mixture, and then we're gonna let it rest until doubled in size, at least 40 minutes to 1 hour. Once the dough is kneaded, we're gonna cover this with cling wrap and let it rest again for 40 minutes to 1 hour until doubled in size. Now the dough has doubled in size. We're gonna roll it flat. That's nice. Just dump it on your surface, flat surface, either floured or lined with parchment paper, and roll it flat into rectangle. Once you roll flat, just spread some Bolognese sauce or any kind of sauce you like, marinara or spaghetti sauce, or just regular tomato sauce, but this is Bolognese. Now we're gonna spread with cheese, as generous as you want. You can bake it as is, or you can roll it as you would make cinnamon rolls or cinnamon buns or jelly roll. Once it's rolled, just slice it as many as you would, and then we're gonna place it on our tray. One slice, we're just gonna leave it again to rise a little more for 20 to 30 minutes. Now that the pizza rolls are doubled in size again, we're gonna bake it at 350 Fahrenheit preheated for 20 minutes. Now the pizza rolls are done. You can leave it to cool for a bit, or you can serve it right away, but it's super hot.